Next is Tantra. Here, because it is from God to God, never the humanities dictionary is used. Practically nobody commented on these books. Everybody commented on the Gita. Anybody, if you claim yourself as Acharya, if you claim yourself as a teacher, you must comment on these three books: Brahma Sutra, Upanishad and Gita. In India, it is a basic necessity. It is a basic requirement. If you have to be accepted as Acharya or a teacher, you have to comment on these three books. Means what? You have to supply your dictionary for these three books. If you create your own dictionary for these three books, only then you can be called as Acharya, teacher. This Tantra is such a pure scripture. It is delivered by God to God. So no text torture happened. Nobody spoke on it. It is given with such a standard, you can't do any text torture. You can't comment on it. No arguments are possible. No logic is possible. It is expressed in such pure form. Only a man who has reached the same state can speak to the disciples who have reached the same state. He can speak only to the disciples who have reached the same state. Only Anandeshwara can speak to Anandeshwari. Only Shiva can speak to Uma. So let you all become Uma to understand what is spoken here, to understand what I am speaking. The author, God, the Mahadeva, Shiva, is the ultimate expression of enlightenment, ultimate expression of the ultimate experience. So unless you become Uma, you can't hear, you can't understand, you can't experience Shiva. Unless you are also established in Sahasrara, you cannot understand the teachings of Sahasrara. You cannot relate with the teachings of Shiva. So now you need to become Uma for this alchemy to happen. You need to become Anandeshwari for Anandeshwara to descend. Otherwise, again, you will be using your dictionaries. You will be using your dictionaries and create a Shastra out of Tantra. You will create one more Shastra out of Tantra. Never do that mistake. Don't become intellectual disciples. If you bring your dictionary, you will become representative of hell. Either you become Uma or you will become the representative of hell. Either you become Devi or you will be a devil. Please be very clear. If you become Devi, you will receive the divine, or you will be devil. You will make a Shastra out of this Tantra. Again, you will make Shastra out of this Tantra. So let you not be the representative of devils. Let you be the representative of Devi. Let you enter into the state of Sahasrara. Let you just sit like a Devi, passive, Om, letting me to flow through you. In Sahasrara, teachings are given like a fragrance. In Mooladhara, teachings are given like a drill bit. You are drilled. The God or the Master who speaks to the people who are established in Mooladhara, he speaks like a drill bit. He is like a borewell. He just makes a borewell. That is why so much of boredom in Shastras. You feel bored because you are just bored. They are drilling you. They are crowbars. They are crowbars. In the little higher level, they are like knife. They try to penetrate you. In the ultimate level, the Master who is established in Sahasrara is like a fragrance. He never tries to do anything. If you want, if you are alert, if you are aware, you can catch his smell, which can transform your being. But the beauty is, if you are established in Mooladhara, you need to do a lot for the drill bit to happen, for the drilling to happen. You need to give space. You need to do a lot for the drilling to happen. If you are established in Anahata, again, you should allow the knife to penetrate. But in Sahasrara, if you are just be, you will feel the smell. You will feel the fragrance. The alchemy will happen. But you have to be just be. You have to be. You have to be. In Sahasrara, it's more like a smell, fragrance. I am like a fragrance. I am not going to give you any rules. I am not going to give you any revelations. I am not going to give you any restrictions. I am just going to ooze out the bliss. I am just going to radiate this ecstasy. I am just going to let the fragrance happen. If you are alert, aware, catch the smell and experience it. Still I am feeling. I have not said whatever I want to say. Still I am feeling something is not expressed. Something has not happened. Something is yet to come out. Something is there. Still it is not coming out. So let you become Devi. Let you all become Anandeshwara, Anandeshwari, so that Anandeshwara can happen. Let you become passive. Let you become a low pressure, so that the energy can flow towards you. Let you relax in the Sahasrara. Don't get stuck in Mooladhara or Swadhisthana or Anahata or Vishuddhi or Agnya. Just relax into Sahasrara. One more thing. Because these chakras are going up and up and up, you think going to the Sahasrara is very difficult. Because always in your dictionary you understood going up is difficult. But it is not. In my dictionary, when you relax, you fall into Sahasrara. Understand. When you relax, you fall into Sahasrara. In your dictionary, Sahasrara is up. In my dictionary also it is up. But you don't have to go up. Just relax. You will fall into Sahasrara. Even though your logic, your dictionary cannot give the same meaning, understand this much. Relax and be passive. Without having any dictionary, you will fall into Sahasrara. You will fall into Sahasrara. Understand. Word raising or word falling is not to be understood with your dictionary. It has to be understood with my dictionary. So when I say raise up to Sahasrara, I say fall into Sahasrara. Raising to Sahasrara and falling into Sahasrara is one and the same. Relax. You will fall into Sahasrara. You will fall into Sahasrara. The moment you fall into Sahasrara, you will be transformed. But as long as you are stuck in Mooladhara or Swadhisthana, not only you will not be able to relate with me, you will have a deep vengeance against me. So many masters are murdered, killed because of the disciples who are caught in Mooladhara. Why do you think so many masters have been murdered? So many masters have been made to carry the cross. Because when a disciple is caught in Mooladhara, he tries to relate to the master in the same way. He uses his dictionary. So, with wrong disciples, when you speak right word, you are in danger. You are in danger. Shiva has to drink the poison. Why? Again and again, the masters are facing so many dangers because of the disciples who are caught in Mooladhara, the lower chakras. That is why this time I have learned the lesson. This time I have learned the lesson of not to speak to the people of Mooladhara the highest signs of Sahasrara. That is why my lectures, my discourses are totally different in public. They are totally different in meditation camps. They are much more different in the next level meditation camps. In the mass meditation, I address the people who are caught in Mooladhara. In ASPs, I address the people who are caught in little higher chakras, Swadhisthana and Manipura. In NSP and Atmaspurana, I address the people who are caught in Anahata and Vishuddhi. Now I am going to address the people who are staying in Anya and Sahasrara. So, if you can relax into Sahasrara, if you can become Anandeshwari, listen. Become Anandeshwari and listen. Then you will be really able to transform. If you are in Anya, you will be able to understand. If you are in Sahasrara, you will be able to experience. If you are in Anya, communication will happen. If you are in Sahasrara, communion will happen. If you are in lower level chakras, you are a danger around me. You are a danger around me. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. If you miss it, you will miss it. If you miss it, you will miss it. So be very clear. If you feel honestly, you will not be able to relate with me. You do not want, if you feel honestly, you will not be able to make sincere effort to relate with me from the level of Anya and Sahasrara. Better move out of this program. Better be a little away from me. It is good for you and for me. Of course, this time I have decided I am not going to carry cross. This time I have learned the lesson. I am not going to be stoned. I am not going to take poison. I am not going to do any of these things. This time I have come down with lot more intelligence than you guys. This time I have come down with all the lessons. I have learnt lot of lessons. I have learnt so many lessons. This time I have come down with all the intelligence, all the possible, and this time nothing can be done. Either you catch or you miss.